So thank you so much all for coming. Um, thank you, Thomas. Nice to see you. Hi, hi, Viveka.
Hi, nice to see you. See, hello.
Yes. Hi. Thank you for coming. Yes, thank you, Catherine, Violetta, Speedy. It's a very exciting time for us here in Europe. A lot of great trainings. So we've just finished the training in Sweden 2 days ago. That's 17th and 18th, and then before that, of course, in Netherlands. And then tomorrow, we are going to have in Norway, and that's gonna be the biggest training so far for Norway. So that's gonna be exciting, of course. Our top leaders, powerful trainers, right? So that's gonna be wonderful, wonderful training. And of course, we're also looking forward to the training that we're gonna have here in Warsaw, here in Poland, which is also gonna be the biggest event. It's gonna be the biggest participation we've had. We're gonna have about 250 people, 250 participations. We're looking forward to that. That's gonna be wonderful. Of course, again, we're gonna have powerful trainers, the inventor and founder and CEO of Oxytap is among those who are doing the training. So it's really a golden opportunity for us to learn as much as we can, and he'll be able to give you wonderful insights. All right, so okay, so we're gonna have a great presentation today. And for those of you who attended the training, so you probably got the door gift, which is the NV spec, right? This is one of the door gift that you will have. So we're gonna talk about that today. So you're gonna find out the benefits of this wonderful, amazing product that can be used by most people. If you are using your eyes, if you can see, then you can benefit from this from this product, right? So it's one of our newest product, and soon it will be available here in Europe, right? So I believe after the training, we're gonna have this available soon. So that's quite exciting. All right. So all right. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, NV spec, right? This is a medical grade protection, negative ion, anti blue light, and super clear and comfortable, right? All right, let me move this. Okay, so key factors from World Health Organization. All right, 2023, 2.3 billion people have near distant vision impairment. Okay, so they have near distant vision impairment. That's 1 in 4 people. 1 in 4 people are affected. Okay, and so that's staggering. That's a staggering number. And the leading causes of vision impairment and blindness, all right, at the global level are refractive errors, right? So and cataracts. So that means our eyes cannot focus properly, right? And process the light, right? And these problems, of course, get worse over time. And as we age, they do get worse. We know that. And for many cases, when especially over the age of 50, that's when it you know speeds up, right? The deterioration of this eye problem. Okay, so what are the common things that cause damage to our eyes, right? So exposure to UV sunlight and blue light, right? Blue light. Not wearing protection glasses like sunglasses. So of course, sunlight is good, but too much of it, if there's too much light going in, UV light going to your eyes, it can affect your eyesight, right? Aging, of course, it affects your vision. Too much screen time, right? Excessive consumption of alcohol, overuse of eye drops and contact lenses, diabetes, right? Not visiting your eye doctor regularly, right? So right? What are the things that we are doing here? All right. So for most of us, at least one of these, if not many of these, or most of this. Okay. So what is blue light? Right. So blue light, also known as high energy visible light. Okay. These are artificial light, can enter the retina in the eye and can cause, of course, damage in the vision. Right. So a high intensity blue light or blue light from electronic products, of course, is potentially hazardous to your vision. Right. It can cause short-term vision blur. Right. So after exposing your eyes to this blue light, sometimes your vision becomes blurry. Visual fatigue, especially when you use it when you are exposed to these things in the long term. And it can also affect our sleep, right? It may lead to insomnia. And this is actually one of the leading causes of one of the things that affects our sleep. And we know that we are getting poorer and poorer quality of sleep because of many lifestyle issue. And I will tell you that this is one of the top causes, right? Using a screen when we are about to sleep. Okay, so the sources of high energy blue light, okay, we are exposed to these things on a near constant basis, right? From the laptops, monitors, smartphones, tablets, TVs, and CFL bulbs. And our close proximity to these sources of blue light, of course, exacerbates or makes it worse. The negative effects of these, and the sheer amount of time we are exposed to these blue lights is really staggering, especially when you consider it like in the long term. So how exposed are we? Okay, according to some studies, we check our phones what? 150 times a day. And that's very true. That's very possible. Just in 1 hour, how many times do you sometimes check your phone? So that happens, right? How long are we exposed, right? According to studies, 10 hours, right? 10 hours, because most of us, right, we use it for our work, communication, games, and then if you want to relax, what do? We go to our phone again. Right? Like almost everything revolves around our phone and devices. So we are so um, constantly exposed to them. And even if we are away from our phones and offices, there are also a harmful blue light that is present everywhere. And how does it affect your eyes? Early stages is visual fatigue, dry eyes, eye discomfort, itching, eye pain, and tearing, right? So we've experienced this at least once in a while, if not regularly. This means that our eyes is stressing, right? We're overusing it. It's being overexposed to things that are causing it stress. Middle stage is blurry vision, a decreased vision, eye fatigue, sensitivity to light, right? And poor sleep. As I said, this is one of the things that really affect our sleep. Sometimes you wake up at night. And late stage symptoms, worsening of myopia. According to a study in the 1970s in US, about 1 in 4 people are affected by myopia. Okay, in the 2000s, over 40% are affected, right? So there was a drastic increase. And World Health Organization estimates that by 1950, half of the world's population will be affected. So you can see there's a pattern here, right? Because of how much we are exposed to these things. As technology advances, we get to be more and more exposed, and you can see the correlation between our exposure to these lights and the prevalence of eye problems like myopia. All right, also retinal changes and ultimately blindness. Okay, so most of us are in one of these categories, right? Office worker like me, I use my computer a lot. Gamers, and binge watchers, of course, we like to watch Netflix. Okay, so blinking more than 10,000 times a day causes tremendous exhaustion around the eyes, resulting in dryness, pain, soreness, and swelling. Okay, so we only have one eyes, right? So, the gift of eyesight is really one of life's greatest gift. Looking at your loved ones, beautiful things in nature, beautiful things around you, your your children, your spouse, and even yourself, right? So, what are we doing to take care of it, right? When was the last time you took care of your eyes? And what is the solution? Solution A, stop using these devices. Stop using computer, right? Stop using your phone. Stop playing games. Is that even possible? Can you even last an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours without your devices? For most people, it's not definitely a feasible solution. So solution B is using advanced technology through NV Spec. All right, with its powerful negative ion and anti-blue light that can help effectively mitigate the harm that blue light causes to your eye, while also nourishing and protecting your eyes. Okay, so protect your eyes with NV Spec, negative ion and anti-blue light glasses. Okay, so the anti-blue light glasses are made of high performance materials that can block harmful blue light while allowing harmless visible light. Okay, the frames of the glasses constantly release negative ions. Okay, so it helps promote a good blood circulation in the eyes and help increase the oxygen level in the eyeball and even the brain. And it will help relieve fatigue in the eyes. Okay, so there's seven revolutionary technologies in NV Spec. You have the TR material, which is a very quality material. It's like a plastic titanium, very durable, very quality material. And then you have the unique optical lenses. It has blue light, anti-blue light, and it has anti-UV. And the frames releases negative ions constantly, continuously. It also has far infrared ray. And of course, it's in modern design, and I will show you more. We have even more series of glasses coming soon. Okay, so there were some tests done with the NV Spec, and according to this test, 95% of the test subjects reported relief from eye fatigue. All right, that's very high percentage. 90% improved their vision. 92% relieved dry eye symptoms. So this shows the efficacy of these amazing glasses. Okay, so how does it work? So there are two parts to NV Spec. Number one is you've got the lenses. Okay, they are non-prescription, so they don't have a power. They can effectively filter harmful light, shielding users from blue light, radiation, ultraviolet rays, and intense light. So this helps safeguard the eyes from harmful effects of external light. And then you have the frame. The frame has negative ion glasses that contains natural minerals such as Maifan stone, ochre, volcanic rock, and others. Okay. And by releasing far infrared radiation and negative oxygen ions, these minerals can effectively relieve eye fatigue and soothe the eyes. So in other words, negative ion glasses not only protects the eyes, but also alleviate eye problems, preventing and relieving myopia. As I said, myopia is an increasing problem, right? There are more and more cases as the years go by because again of this exposure. And so these NV spec, right, it helps prevent and relieve myopia and demonstrates a significant effect in controlling degree progression, right, the worsening of the refractive error. Right, so for optimal results, it is recommended to wear the spectacles for 8 hours a day. So it can help promote overall eye comfort and well-being. I want to show you a video of the test done by one of our chief trainers, and he did a test on the NV spec, and he had this tester.
Today, I'm going to share about our latest product from Prime International, which is our NV spec. So the spec actually contains the lenses that actually anti-UV and anti-blue light, and also the frames that consist very high negative ion. So we're going to have a look on using this ion tester to see how the reading of the negative ion from our NV spec. You can have a look on here. See, it's actually 1,806 from the ion tester testing. So the ion negative have been proven that can be helpful in our circulations of our blood. That's why when we put on the NV spec, we can feel our eyes are very, very comfortable. So just now.
All right, so that is the ion tester. As we can see, it is reading 1,800 negative ion. Right, so a normal reading would be around 34. Okay, so you can see that it has that, and the thing is that's constant, right? You get that continuously, that concentration of negative ion. So negative ions are your vitamins in the air. Okay, it helps to regulate heart, lung function, promotes metabolism, boosts immunity, improves sleep, relieves respiratory discomfort. Okay, so these are all for negative ions. So if you wear your your NV spec for at least 8 hours a day, then you will get many, all right, of the 200 million negative ions that NV spec releases a day. So each day it releases 200 million negative ions. So this allows our eyes to breathe freely and activates the water. Helps increase the oxygen level of the body and eyes, releasing far infrared ray, restores eye vitality, and helps improve vision. Improves the microcirculatory system and relaxes the ciliary muscles and relieves eye fatigue. Okay, so we have multiple authoritative tests, and they are certified and patented. Okay, we have the SGS Certificate of Raw Material Analysis, Non-Hazardous Substance Test Report, EUCE Safety Certification, Non-Radioactive Substance Testing, Intellectual Property Digital Filing, CTI Testing, etc. Okay, we have certifications for anti-blue light and the negative ions, and as well as patents. So please don't use your screens and expose your eyes to these things without your NV spec, especially for those who already received their NV spec during the training. Please use them. Prevention is better than cure. All right. So currently for NV spec, we have 4 color selections on the frame. One of our new upcoming products that is very similar to NV spec, right? Aurora Optic. So this is also like NV spec. It has negative ion and UV protection, anti-blue light. But for those who want something a bit more stylish, so this is what we have. It's not yet available right now, but it's going to be available soon. Okay, so I just want to give you a quick run through, right? We have classic. It's going to be intellectual, unique, elegant, personality, trendy, vintage, confident, and all of these things, right? So We're gonna have that soon here in Europe. That's gonna be exciting. But of course, before that, we're gonna have the NV spec. And actually, we also have the new. We're gonna have the new models, right? Soon also of NV spec. There's still NV spec, but newer models. Okay, so that's it. So make sure to always use NV spec. We have a lot of amazing testimonies for NV spec. You know, people who have been having a headache for a long time, having problem with sleeping after using NV spec. You know, they've found a lot of relief. Use, if you have NV spec, use it. If you don't have, it's going to be available soon, so make sure to order yours.
Very, very good. My grandchild, he was very red on his eye because he was very tired and exhausted. And after a few minutes with the glasses on, no redness
Wow.
anymore. Yeah,
Wow,
so
good, good.
they
Wow.
are great.
Thank you also for sharing that
Thank you.
great testimony. Yeah, that's really nice.
Yes.
During the night when I drive the car, I also use the glasses. It's
Okay.
really better, and even in the evening I have problems with too many mobiles. You know, I have three
Mm,
mobile phones, German, Polish, and so on. And really, I look. It's better look if you look inside. If you have to work, like you say, 10 hours and more, maybe.
yeah.
It's relaxation for eyes.
Right, yeah.
It's really
I
good.
think it lessens the effect of blue light. It lessens the effect of blue light, and so the stress that you experience is quite. It has a, you know, a significant effect on the effects, lowering the effects.
Yes, when I have glasses one time, my first time is wow, amazing, because many lights on the roads, many items sometimes work too much on the lights, and we thinking, okay, about this, no problem, but in night you have a headache because too much light on the eyes. And when you don't close eyes, maybe one time on the day, you don't relax acupuncture,
Yeah,
and you have pain on the head.
right.
Is my history every time I'm using my eyes, looking everywhere. My style is details, and I think so. Oh, it's too much lights, yeah. But I need lights. It's night. And what can I do? And I have
Exactly.
glasses. It's a good
Yeah.
gift from company, and this is a brilliant effect.
So thank you again for that.
Thank you. We will.
Thank you.